this video, we'll be going through the process of how to add your eKyro smart device, like for example this device, the eKyro smart plug, into Alexa. It's a pretty simple process when you execute it from Smart Life, but there are a couple prerequisites. Two things that you have to have completed before you're able to start is you first have to have your eKyro smart device connected correctly in Smart Life. Here you can see I have the eKyro smart plug connected and able to be actuated within Smart Life. Here you can see I can trigger it on and off. The other thing that I need to have is I have to have Amazon Alexa set up on the device that I'm going to be connecting this to. So in this example, I'm using this one phone, and so I have both Smart Life plug set up, and then I also have Alexa set up and ready to go on this device. So if you're logged into both of these, it should be a very simple process, but if that doesn't work, we'll show you kind of a backup process. So the first thing to do in Smart Life is to go into your device, select the pencil icon in the top right-hand corner, and you should see third-party control. When you select third-party control, you'll see a few different options, and really it's the same between all of these items. In this example, we'll select Alexa, and a small screen will come up that says Smart Life on Amazon Alexa, and a button below that allows you to link to Amazon Alexa. I'll select link, and what it will do is pull me over to the Alexa application. It'll prompt that link. I'll select link, and then it will connect those two together. It may ask you to log in with your login credentials for Smart Life, but typically it's as easy as what we just did. The link is now successful, so I can select done. And here you can see that that link has been completed. Now what I can do from this screen is I can unlink or relink if I'm having any issues with the Alexa app. But now we'll go over to the Alexa application. And now you can see that we have linked these up. So under devices, we should start to see those Smart Life devices populate. In this example, you can see that our garage door is populated and also our smart plug. One thing to note with a garage door or with some voice controls is you may need to turn that on or enable that within Smart Life. For example, if I'm looking at my garage door, I'm just going to go back out of here. You may need to select settings in the bottom right-hand corner, and you can see there is a voice control toggle. By default, this is typically off, but you'll want to make sure that that's on to enable voice control for that specific device. Stepping over into the Alexa app, you can see that if it requires a PIN, like the garage door, you'd want to select that, turn on open by voice, and then put a PIN in there. This is a requirement from Amazon Alexa and Google Home to have a PIN for your specific device, so that's how you could set that voice code and or PIN. For devices like the eKyro smart plug, there shouldn't be anything required other than just linking it up with Smart Life, and in this example you can see that power is on, or if I select this, power will go off. One of the beauties of Alexa, like we all know, is that you can also use the voice control settings. Alexa, turn the eKyro smart plug off. There you can see that it didn't spell it quite right, but it did actually execute the switch off or on. So this is an easy way that you can use Alexa on voice, and then any of those accounts that are set up with Amazon Alexa Dot, or some of the other smart speakers, or some of the smart displays that allow you to do voice control, or really any of those that are connected to this account should now be able to execute the open and close by voice. As a note, if you do need to change the name, like let's just say you don't like eKyro Smart Plug, you can always do so up in the top right-hand corner. And here you can change the name of that device. You could also change it in Smart Life, which a lot of times it will pull over into the Alexa application if you change it in Smart Life. You can also use this device to create routines, which is like an automation on Alexa's system. Or if you have routines or tap to run set up within Smart Life, you can actually pull those over as well. So lots of great things once you connect it up to Alexa that you can perform, but setting it up within Smart Life and pulling it over into Alexa is extremely simple. In the event that the previous method didn't work, you can manually add the Smart Life skill to your Alexa app. The way that you do this is you'd select the 3 menu bar icon options, you'd select Skills and Games, and then you'd search for Smart Life. And you're going to want to have it all one word. That'll make it easier for you to find. Here you can see the top option. It's the Smart Life icon with a home with the 3 radio waves emitting from it. I would select Enable to Use. What that would do is it'd pull you back over to Smart Life, and here you can see we have the same agree and link option as we had previously. Again, it may ask you to log in, but in this example, I just need to hit agree and link. It would link the Smart Life and Alexa apps together, and now your devices are going to connect from Smart Life into Alexa. In this video, we went through how you can link your eKyro smart plug or really any smart device into Alexa. If this didn't work for you, if you need additional help or just have questions, you can always reach out to us at info@eKyro.com, and we'd love to help you out.